Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to all the new viewers. Welcome back to those that are returning. This is Rose's Blossom, and I am Jamara. Hope everyone is doing good because it is Friday. Hey, it's Friday. But you already know I'm feeling good. You already know I'm feeling great. You already know I have never, ever, ever felt any better. You already know. Yeah. Last week, I did a little chefing up for you. I showed you how we chef up in Rose's Blossom's kitchen. They say, you know what? I'm going to do it again. Yes, I am. You already know. You already know. But I'm feeling a bit lazy. So I was going to get a bit of takeaway, but I was like, you know what? I can make better food. So I'm going to make a burger with some fries. Let me tell you, I'm not even lying. Please go and buy this burger. If you're in the UK, Tesco sell it. Beyond Burger, please. Trust me. It tastes amazing. But I'm going to just show you, how I chef that up real fast. And then, we just get into it. So, you already know, yeah. You already know this how we do when we cook in Rose's Blossom's kitchen. That's right. But that's what the package looks like. The Beyond Burger to plant-based burgers cost about £5. So yeah, I'm about to chef that up. I've already taken one out. It's just in here. I've just been seasoned that. And I've used a bit of basil, everyday season, all-purpose, some pepper, some mixed herbs, and then some garlic. I've got my potato sticks. I'm going to make some homemade fries. And then I've got a couple of garlic cloves as well that I'm just going to put in the pan when I fry my burgers. Fry my burgers. Well, my burger. I'm not going to be greedy today. Just going to put a bit of oil in my pan. And I'm put on low because the burgers are frozen. I'm going to just put it on low. I don't want it on too high because I don't want to get too sort of down on the outside and the inside's not all done how it's supposed to be, because that wouldn't be nice. My oil is over there already getting hot. Also, this is what it looks like. It's nice and thick as well. So that's what it looks like. It's gonna be so good. It smells pretty good as well. It smells like, I can't really explain the smell, but it smells like something that I'm familiar with. I just cannot really, put a finger on the smell. Just gonna chop up my garlic cloves, while the oil gets hot. And I've already had the oil for the fries, the homemade fries, on for a bit of time as well. If you see me going back and forth, it's because I'm on the hoverboard right now. It's probably why I can't get this off the garlic clove. There we go. Just give that extra flavor, that garlic just gives it that extra flavor. Garlic don't smell too good, but it makes your food taste great. There we go. That's how you gotta cook. You gotta be gloating. You gotta be gloating while you're cooking. Just gloating and floating. Gloating and floating on the hoverboard. I think the homemade fries are better than the peeled frozen ones that you get in the bags. Something about homemade fries. It's just something about them. Who likes homemade fries? Comment. I do. If you like homemade fries. I swear that's one of the first things I learned how to really make was homemade fries. You're hungry, there's potatoes in the house, you can make some fries. Today, right? Because it's Wednesday today, right now, and I'm doing this recording. One of my students like actually made me like cry in lesson over this. I was like, oh, that was so sweet. So they had a task to do. They're creating web pages, and then I told them they can create like a fan page or the favorite sport, different things like that. They had the creativity. I left them to be creative, make what they want, and I made a joke about the fact that they can do a fan page, like a Roses Blossom one. And one of my students, she was like, Miss, come look at mine, come look at mine. So I'm like, alright, I'll go look at yours. So when I went to go look, it was like a Roses Blossom one, and she had like one of my pictures, and I was like, oh my god, it was just too much. My heart could not take it. Like my heart actually could not take it. I don't know, it just felt so good, and my eyes just started watering. And all the students like, oh, Miss is really crying, and then that made my eyes water even more, because I'm like, oh my god, I'm that teacher, oh boy. But yeah, is that like, they don't like, she don't even know how much like that really just made my heart jump up and down for joy. It felt good. But right, just waiting for this to get hot. Top, put them on top, put my top on top of the top, put up top. Put my top on top of the top to top. Top of the top to top. Put my top on top of the top to top. Top of the top to top. Put my 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 top. Oh my god. It's finally so far. It's smelling good. It's smelling great. It never smelled any better. Yep, that's what it's looking like so far. Also, I forgot to show you as well another vegan product that I found that I really like. So, on my burgers, I like to put cheese with tomatoes, mayonnaise, and black pepper. So this cheese I've tried is actually really, really good. So I'm gonna have that on my burger as well. Can't wait. This is the update on what it's looking like now. So this, I did not put that much oil in there, but yeah, the juice from the burger, but also the garlic cloves I got in there. And I'm about to drop these fries in. Here you go. The cheese looks like, it smells almost like normal cheese, but not like normal cheese, if that makes sense. I'm not gonna lie and be like, oh my god, it smells just like cheese. No, it don't. It has like, I can't explain it, but yeah. Put the top on this, help that melt. Turn that off. Oh yeah. This is what I like my fries to look like. Just like that. There we go. And that's right. And that's real. Kid? That is the finishing product of what it looks like. A cheeseburger with tomato, mayonnaise, and black peppers. Homemade fries. It's about to go down. You already know me. I love my food. So it's about to go down. Yummy, yummy in my tummy. That was epic fail. Yay! Oh, this is supposed to go down. But yes, I'm leaving at waste any time. I'm gonna just get in. Hey. Amen. last video, I spoke about one of the surgeries on my lip, remember? I had to get my mouth stitched on. That wasn't fun. If you're new to the channel, you are set this video, you tune in, please stop it now. And go back to video number 1 and watch that video. But yeah, my last videos I've been talking about some of my surgeries. So today I said, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna do that. The whole time I was cooking, I changed my mind like while I was cooking. Because yeah, I was just thinking, gotta gather my thoughts. And I just wasn't feeling like doing one of them type of videos. It's gonna be about like the accident, but not necessarily one of the surgeries. Burger time. Burger time. Sorry for that pause. I was trying to take a thumbnail picture, hopefully it came out. But seriously, this burger tastes like, you know, you're grilling summertime, you barbecue them. Yeah, I'll put a nice burger on the barbecue. This is what this burger tastes like. Honestly. The first time I tried it, you know, I almost cried, obviously. Obviously, I was so excited because it wasn't the fact that, yeah, it does taste nice, but it tastes like an actual burger from off a grill. Every time I eat it, I feel like it's summertime. Like right now, I feel like it's summertime. Like it's dark outside right now, but I just feel like it's, you know, the sun's out. No clouds in the sky. That's it. But yeah. And even like the texture of it. That's all I'm gonna say. Again, please do and try this. Please do and try this. But yeah, remember I said like in the last video, and probably a few other videos, I wasn't that comfortable being around people, especially when I didn't have teeth, because I didn't want them really looking at me. Look at that. Them looking and seeing that I didn't have any teeth. So yeah, but the one place that I was like completely just myself and was able to just feel very comfortable was my neighborhood. Like all my friends from the neighborhood, we all grew up around there. Literally, some of us from primary school days till now. Some of us still live there. Like I've mentioned in previous videos, my dad still lives in that neighborhood, so I'm always gonna represent. But just everyone from the neighborhood was so supportive and never made me feel any like shame or any embarrassment or, you know, like they just always made it seem like nothing ever happened, if that made any sense. It never made me feel any different. I literally, even after I got my teeth, because wearing them is uncomfortable. Like wearing, well, it was uncomfortable for me. Because at that time too, like my gums are still healing as well. So it wasn't that comfortable, and I sucked my tongue. Having the gum spot, like the dentures, that wasn't comfortable on my tongue either. So yeah, anytime, literally, I feel like I've mentioned this in a video already, but so what? For me, my teeth was like, if you're a female and then you get home, you want to take your bra off, that's what it was like for me. Like, take them teeth out as soon as I got home and around the neighborhood. I didn't feel the need to have to go to put them in to go outside. So I would do just because I would not have them in inside like when I was inside my house. I would not have them in. People came over and have them in. That was on like a video of someone I have them in, but anytime it was like just us, literally them things was coming up or real. So being able to go outside and feel comfortable and not having to put my teeth in, because then that was even more discomfort on my gums. That was nice. So shout out to all my family from around Fenton Drive. You know, Sharifa, Jaleel, Jalicia, Marcia, Vince, Russian, Toya, R.I.P. Malcolm. Wow, bloody hell. Famous, how do I feel about famous? Famous, Aaron, everyone from the drive. Everyone from the drive. Like, I know all of you. Jules, that was his spot to go to. But it's nice when you have sort of like a support network like that. As it really is. Day is literally clown. Literally clown. Then probably still with him. But that helped me like get through, you know? Being able to like have that normalcy with everything else changing in my life. That was one things that was normal for me, that no one treated me any differently. Yeah. No. I got it on my track. I got it on my track. I just didn't know we were going napkin. I'm trying to be so neat with the food because I knew I came over here for the napkin, didn't feel like getting up to get one. But as you see, I must make sure I have a napkin every time. I'm trying to like take my time eating this because I don't want it to be all good yet. I just want someone that supports and that trusts and believes. Just go and get one of these and try it. And please, put even in comments that I'm not lying about the taste. Because that's what you don't trust me. I'm gonna get you guys one. This to me tastes better than a freaking burger. I ain't had a burger in over 2 years, so I can't even freaking remember what a burger tastes like, but that's all I'm gonna say right now. It's because it's been that long, I'm gonna say this tastes better than a burger. especially because I season it up right. Yeah. Yeah. The I don't really like this ketchup that I have. I got it from Aldi. I usually don't get my ketchup from there, but it was like I didn't get dash to the shop at the last minute, and I forgot to get more ketchup. I forgot I had this one. So it's like this. It tastes like sweet. Like I don't know. I can't really explain, but it's not that nice. So it's kind of turned me off from eating the rest of the fries. Well, I also got a yogurt here. I also got tangerine. Some be good. That will be good. This is also a vegan yogurt. I have not had yogurt in over 2 years because I don't drink milk. I do eat some dairy products, but I shouldn't be because I'm pretty certain I've become like lactose over the years. Every time I eat, it's certain things, so it's so crazy. Certain things will literally make my stomach, can't do it, don't do it, don't do it, won't do it, shouldn't do it, shouldn't do it. But then some things I eat with like dairy, like cheese, it's fine. It's like certain cheeses I can't eat. So, I don't know. But I'm glad I found this nice vegan cheese as well. There's one more bite, guys. I am feeling like not full, like how if I'm at like a full meal, and at the end I'm like, oh, I'm so full. Not feeling that kind of full, but I am feeling content. Content. But yeah, literally lived around Fantasy for over. I was like, I remember being in primary 4, because I remember I moved into Antoine's famous class. And yeah. I was 7 at that time. And what? Wow, okay, let's do some maths. Let's do some maths. I was 7. I'm in from Fantasy, I'm pretty sure. 29 now. I've been in the UK for 8 years. That means I was 20 when I moved there, but I was getting 21 like a month after. So let's say what's 21 minus 7? 14, duh, because 7 is 21 times 2. Like 21 divided by 7. So yeah. 14 years is a long time to like grow up with people, be friends and not friends and are friends and not friends. Remember the things we went through growing up, the parties, the block parties, and literally we used to have actual dances, like full on like party like dances. It'd be at one of the neighbors' houses, and all the parents knew each other and things like that. So it was, it was like good vibes. But man, I had a good childhood. I actually had a great childhood. Summers, used to wake up and be outside all day. Probably outside from like 10 in the morning, all day, till the street lights came on at night. We was always outside playing. Not like these damn kids nowadays that's just only freaking technology all the time. No, like we actually play it outside, and gosh, I've had so many cuts and bruises and sores and things like that from just whatever. Even playing one touch, and then having some of the neighbors come out if your ball hits like the car. Especially like Uncle Tapson in the neighborhood. Oh man, do not let that ball get near his car, cause you better run. You better be just go. It'll be like no one was ever seen or heard of ever again. That's what it was like. But yeah, man, that's the type of, people's like grew up wrong that was just like there for me and still there for me, like was still all friends, literally. Yeah, we're literally all still friends. And I hope that you guys had sort of like some type of neighborhood where you was able to like connect with, people on that different kind of level where like no one knows, not like your cousins, no one knows your family, like your cousins too, No one knows your neighborhood, like your friends that grew up around it, the neighborhood. Some of the negative things people might want to say about the neighborhood and whatnot because of the area it might have been in and things like that, but nah, that was the neighborhood to grow up in. So this one is blackberries, and I'm This is blackberries or raspberries? No, raspberries are red. It's blackberries. This is sweeter than like normal yogurt. It's got fruit bites in it as well. Nice and purple. I'm literally gonna be eating like one of these a day. I've been going to like Sainsbury's because I've heard usually they have a lot of good vegan products, but the one that I've been going to has been letting me down. But the Tesco that I've been to, go on Tesco. I see you. Mm-hmm. So yeah. Again, shout out to all my people from the neighborhood. I miss you guys. I do. I miss you guys. That's not the reason I made a video like this. Because being away of so many years too. You guys miss certain things, You see little barbecues. It's summertime, Venture Tribe. That'll be, even though I was to go back now in summertime. Literally, as long as someone's saying, let's put on a barbecue, the barbecue is going on. The barbecue is going on. And you can not have been around the neighborhood when the barbecue started, but when the barbecue like is on and you come around, it's food there for you. It is food there for you. I remember plenty of times my mom used to barbecue in the neighborhood, and you just smell that food and come through, and she would just end up putting on like burgers and hot dogs for, and if anyone wants to come through, it's like a burger and a hot dog there for you. And that's how it was with, yeah, a few of us in the neighborhood like that. A few of us. That's what my childhood was like growing up, from like between 7 and 21. Well, 20. I left when I was 20. 7 and 20. It was all fun and games. Literally. Laughs. I guess they still more. But yes, I think I'm gonna end this video now, guys. I think I am. Valentine's is coming up in what, a few weeks or so? Yeah, well, 3 weeks. I think I'm gonna do another giveaway for Valentine's. So if you want to get your Valentine's a Valentine's gift, and you know they like Roses Blossom, then you already know. Make sure you know what? Share this video, and then just show me proof that you shared this video, and that's it. That's what you gotta do. That's what you gotta do. Share the video. Share the video. If you wanna comment some positive vibes and things like that, then you already know. Spam them comments. Spam them. But if you wanna get involved with the giveaway, share this video and then just show me some proof, and you can enter. You got a t-shirt. That's right. And that's real. But don't forget to tune in next Friday. Every Friday. Every Friday I'm got a video for you. I am aiming to not disappoint. To never disappoint. That is my aim. To never disappoint and make sure that I have a video every Friday. So if you want to make sure that I don't disappoint, send me some ideas as well. Definitely send me some ideas. I want to do some challenges, so I need to get someone. Because you know what I want to do though? I want to make up one of these burgers that I just had, the Beyond Burger, and then make a normal burger. And then like get someone to try it and see if they can taste the difference, you know? Even if I do like the normal burger on the grill, so like the both, because this one, the one I just ate tastes grilled, and like burger on the grill, obviously both taste grilled as well. So we'll see. But I need to get someone to try this and verify, because you guys think I'm joking. You guys think I'm joking. But you're definitely gonna do what? What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? First of all, before you even do that, you are gonna go and make sure that you follow my Instagram, bitches. Roses Blossom. Go follow that. Go follow that. And do not forget to click that big red button that is right down there. Click it. And subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. That way you get notified every time I upload a video. A video. Whoa. Do not forget to tune in to my TikTok. Do not forget to tune in to my TikTok. So, one of my students was telling me I should do covers. Show me like I have a nice voice. And she don't know what she did to me. Kisei is the only one that knows what she did to me. Like, so I do. Like, I wish, you know how everyone wishes something, like I wish I could sing, but I think I can sing, but I don't know when I sound nice to develop that part of my voice, if that makes any sense. But I'm going to come out of my comfort zone and I'm going to just do it. Because you know what? Life is too short to be afraid of. No. It's about stepping out of that comfort zone and putting myself out there. And hey, I love to sing. I'm not trying to be no Mariah Carey, Whitney Houston. I just love to sing. So I'm gonna do it. That's right. Give this video a thumbs up. If you wanna hear my voice, stay on the comments. But again, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And back to what are you gonna do? You're gonna share. Because you care. Yeah, you do. Right. Do not forget that success is the secret. Like some crumbs is on there already. Right. Success is the sweetest revenge. And I'm going to leave y'all with this. Roses are red. My rose is pink. Always remember that you are what you think. And that's real. Yeah. Check y'all later, folks.